there is a new malware distribution network active. It's called MosaicLoader. Unlike the classical malicious email, this threat is distributed through malicious web advertisements. For example, let's say a user is searching for cracked versions of popular software. They might see such a malicious promoted link at the top of their result list. If they follow that link and install the tool, they are compromising their own computer. The cybercriminals take a lot of effort to mimic legitimate software, and they are even paying for the malicious ads to be promoted. All of this, of course, to ensure that many people are getting infected. As we're talking about pirated software, some users might even decide to disable their antivirus when installing the cracked software. And this is, of course, a very bad idea, as it means that you're rendering one of your protection layers blind. I mean, of course, with an integrated solution such as the Acronis Cyber Protect, you can always rely that you can restore any lost data. But unfortunately, the initial malware can also be used to install further payload on the system through a quite complex multi-stage process. The delivery mechanism is rented out to other cybercriminals so that they can distribute various malware. Currently, it is known to install cryptocurrency mining software and also infostealer malware. It is therefore important to have a complete solution which not only protects your data, but also secures your workload. The Acronis Cyber Protect can block the URL access to the malicious site and blocks also any payload which might be downloaded. And we have already prevented dozens of infection attempts this week, and the count is rising.